As always, don't forget to get permission and to make sure to have adult supervision while trying out these activities. Well, hello there, adventurers! Today, we will be making soft, squishy, moldable Play-Doh. This fast and easy recipe doesn't need any cream of tartar, or doesn't even need to be cooked. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Here are the materials that you will need to make our super easy Play-Doh. A mixing bowl, a spoon, measuring cups, measuring spoons. The ingredients are 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of water, and food coloring. Let's begin. First, we'll start by mixing the dry ingredients together by putting the 2 cups of flour into the mixing bowl, followed by the half cup of salt. Let's mix them together. Now, we'll add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. First the oil, and now the water. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl together, it's time to mix it up. Come on, use those muscles. Let's mix, mix, mix until it all comes together, just like this. Okay, we're almost done. Time to get our hands dirty. Knead the dough with your hands until the mixture becomes smooth and squishy. If it's too wet and sticks to your fingers, you can add a little bit of flour. But if it's too dry and crumbly and won't come together, add a little bit of water, about a teaspoon at a time, until it comes together. At the end, your Play-Doh should be nice and smooth, not too sticky and not too crumbly. Now, you can stop here and play with it, or you can add a little bit of color with some food dye. Depending on how many colors you want to make, divide your dough into separate balls. I like to put the balls into small zip-top bags like this, so that my hands don't get too stained from the food coloring. In each bag, add 4 to 8 drops of food coloring, depending on how bright you want the color to be. Then mix the color into the dough. When the food coloring disappears and mixes into the dough, you can go ahead and take it out of the bag and knead it until the coloring is fully mixed in. Do the same with the rest of the dough that you would like to be colored. And there you have it! Super easy, soft, squishy, colorful Play-Doh. There are so many things that you can do with it. What are you going to make? Okay, now it's time to think about it. Here are some questions to help you reflect on your learning today. What did you enjoy the most about making Play-Doh? Did making Play-Doh remind you of anything else that you have made or even cooked in the past? What can Play-Doh be used for, other than making and molding things? This Play-Doh lesson goes well with the book Claymates by Dev Petty. Read the story, then make a connection by using your Play-Doh to build your own clay friends, just like the characters in the story. All right, friends, that's it for today. I hope you had fun playing with your Play-Doh. Create something great and then come back again soon for another 5-minute learning adventure. See you then. Bye.